This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will go over how to send documents via mail easily. First, gather all your supplies. You will need your document, a suitable envelope, a good pen for addressing, and the correct postage stamps. Having everything ready saves time and ensures a smooth process from start to finish. Make sure your document is prepared for mailing before moving on to the next important steps. This preparation is key. Once you have your document ready, gently fold it to fit inside the chosen envelope. For standard letter-sized paper, usually 3 folds will create a neat presentation. Ensure all pages are in the correct sequence before inserting them. You might also add a plain cover sheet for extra privacy or to protect sensitive information during transit. This small step ensures your document arrives professionally. Addressing your envelope correctly is crucial for successful delivery. Write the recipient's full name and complete address, including their street number, city, state, and 5-digit zip code, in the middle of the envelope. In the top left corner, clearly write your own return address. A return address ensures the mail can be sent back to you if it cannot be delivered, providing peace of mind. Beyond software, hardware enhancements can provide a significant edge. Consider using thumbstick extenders, which give you more precise control over your aim by increasing the stick's range of motion. Back paddles are also fantastic, letting you jump or reload without ever taking your thumb off the aiming stick. These accessories offer a tangible improvement in competitive gameplay, giving you a physical advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.